Hi there. In today's tutorial, we're diving into creating a panning and zooming system in Godot. So, let's get started. First, let's take a quick look at our basic scene setup. We got some houses, some trees, and other objects here. Now, let's create a new scene with a camera 2D as the base node. Attach a script to it, and name it whatever you'd like. Now let's take a look at our code, and I'll explain how it works. First off, we have these variables here that control various aspects of our camera, like the zoom speed sets the speed of zooming, min zoom and max zoom define the minimum and maximum zoom levels, and drag sensitivity sets the sensitivity of dragging. Here we are using the input function. This function is a built-in function in GD script. It gets called whenever an input event occurs in the scene. Input events can include mouse clicks, mouse movements, keyboard presses, etc. This section checks if the middle mouse button is pressed while moving the mouse. If true, it adjusts the camera position based on the relative movement of the mouse. The camera moves in the opposite direction of the mouse movement, scaled by the drag sensitivity, and divided by the zoom speed and the current zoom level. You can use any kind of input event for this, like is action pressed, etc. Here, the code checks if there's a mouse wheel event. Again, you can use any other input event for this. In this case, if the wheel is scrolled up, it zooms in by adding to the current zoom level. If the wheel is scrolled down, it zooms out by subtracting from the current zoom level. We use a vector 2 here because the camera zoom has both X and Y zoom values. Finally, this line of code ensures that the zoom level remains within the defined minimum and maximum zoom levels. It uses the clamp function to restrict the zoom level between min zoom and max zoom. Again, use of vector 2 here is to provide both X and Y zoom limits. And there we have it, and it works like charm. You can download the project files from the description and enjoy. If you have any questions, let me know down in the comments. Till then, goodbye.